Hey guys, today I'll show you how to adjust the sensitivity on a Compustar digital shock sensor. The level can be adjusted from 1 to 10. 10 is the least sensitive and 1 is the most sensitive. So to make it more sensitive, you'll have to decrease the level, and to make it less sensitive, increase the level. This is pretty much backwards, so make sure to keep this in mind when adjusting the level. Alright, so let's adjust the level. I'm gonna start by turning the ignition key to on. If you have push to start, pressing the button twice will do the same thing on most cars. Hold the brake pedal down. And now I'll press the lock button 3 times in a row with a small pause in between. The parking lights will flash twice, and then the siren will chirp the current sensitivity level. So my siren chirped 9 times. That's the current sensitivity level. Make sure to wait for the parking lights to stop flashing before continuing. Now if you want to increase the level, which decreases the sensitivity, press the lock button, and to decrease the level and increase the sensitivity, press the unlock button. I'm going to press the unlock button 6 times, so I'm going to change it from level 9 to level 3. Once you're done adjusting the level, the alarm is going to confirm the new level by chirping it again. So my siren chirped 3 times to confirm that the level has been changed to 3. I hope this video helps you. If you liked it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I'll be posting more videos in the future. Thanks for watching.